Storms and floods can come suddenly and be extremely dangerous. Without knowing the right ways to respond, we risk injury, danger, even our lives. Today, let's see which actions are right and which are wrong. Never go outside during a storm just to look. Falling trees, strong winds, and lightning are very dangerous. Glass can shatter anytime in strong winds. Stay away from windows and glass doors. Correct. Block water with sandbags and move valuables and electronics to higher places to reduce damage.
But what if the water rises too fast and I don't have time to move my things?
If the water rises too fast, the most important thing is to save people first, not things. Move everyone to higher ground and call for help immediately. Belongings can be lost, but lives cannot be replaced. Danger. During floods, turn off power and gas, and avoid contact with flooded electrical outlets. Yes, this is an emergency kit, always essential in storms and floods. Never swim in floodwaters. They are fast, dirty, and full of hidden dangers.
But if I get really hungry, can I eat the food that's been in the floodwater?
Never. Food that has been in floodwater can be contaminated and dangerous. Eat dry food and emergency supplies only. If you run out, wait for rescue teams. Never eat food soaked in floodwater. Exactly. When water rises, go to higher ground and prepare life jackets for safety. Careful, candles can cause fire. Use flashlights or rechargeable lamps instead. Very good. Always stay in contact and call emergency services when needed. In storms and floods, the most important things are: stay safe, prepare supplies, avoid floodwaters, and keep in contact. Remember, your life depends on it.